visions around you, and tears to your eyes, and all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength. I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing here all alone. Standing here all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. Sing over and over again. Over and over I fall. Without you in my life, baby, I just wouldn't be living at all. And I will take these hands and hold you right where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promise you. Hasta ya no respirar, yo me voy a till the day my life is through. This I promise you.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Coaches, last group for tonight. Coach Julie, this time para naman silang ano?
It reminds me of parang, alam mo yung first date? Oo, parang first date, you keep wanting for more.
Ang tanong ko,
So it's
Julie,
like that.
nakailang date ba kayo?
Madami na. Kaya kinokontrata ko na sila katay sa kasal ko, ha?
Yo!
Coach Chito,
Para ako nanood talaga ng show na I buy tickets tapos manonood talaga ako. Ganun, sobrang nakakatuwa. Kahit hindi niyo ako pinili, masama pa rin yung loob ko. Kailangan ko sabihin na napakagaling niya talaga.
thank you, Coach. Coach. Thank you, Coach.
Galing.
Coach Willie.
I felt that I was in a theater talaga. And I'm listening to amazing singers perform to the best of their abilities. Kaya congratulations.
Para ka nanood ng show talaga. Para ka nanood.
Yep. Galing.
At syempre ang kanilang Coach Tel.
Bago po ang lahat, nagulat lang ako kasi si Coach Chito, grabe pala mag-kim-kim ng sama ng loob.
Hanggang ngayon, no?
Hanggang ngayon,
Battle round.
battles na. Expect nyo na sa semifinals kung aabot kayo. Ganyan pa rin yung sabihin niya next time. Expect nyo yan. Kanina, yun sa performance niya, sobrang na-move ako talaga. Like, nandito ako kanina, gumanon ako. Sobrang na-move talaga ako. And, literal, masasabi kong ito yung pinaka-the best performance nyo o sa lahat ng pinerform nyo dito sa The Voice. And kayo rin yung isa sa Stellbound na masasabi kong very consistent every time we step on that stage. When we do rehearsals, isa kayo doon. So, medyo nahihirapan ako kung sino yung pipiliin ko sa inyong dalawa. Pero, sabi ko na lang, kung sino yung ma-feel kong karapat-dapat for the next round, yun na lang ipipiliin ko. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, guys. Alam niyo yan. Maraming salamat.
Congrats, guys.
Thank you po, thank you.
Congrats, Del.
Coach Julie, Coach Tel,